Alright guys, now that we have installed Django and run our first default Django welcome page, right? So we don't want that default Django page in our application. So in this lecture, we will remove that page and put our own hello world. Okay, because everything starts from hello world, right? So let's do that now. So let me open this Django basic folder. In here I have the project, right? What I will do, I will just right click and open this with the git bash here. Okay, so here, so let me get into the virtual environment first. It is source space env slash scripts slash activate. Okay, all right, now I'm inside the virtual environment. Make sure you are inside the virtual environment. Okay, now let me run the server first. Python manage.py run server. Let me go to the browser and 127.0.0 and 8000. Okay, so this is the welcome page. All right, now what we should do is, let me go to the code editor, and here this is my urls.py file. Here it is. Okay, in this file first we need to create a url pattern for the home page. Okay, so this is how we create path, and inside this path just put an empty string. Empty string means it is a home page. Okay, let me show you that why it is home page. So this is the domain, right? So after this domain we don't have anything here, right? And if you put this test, okay, this will be the url. Now then this should go to the page that contains something about test. Okay, so if there is nothing after this domain, after this local host, or after this 8000 port number, then we call it home page. Okay, so that's why it is empty, and that's the reason we put empty string. All right, empty string means home page. And comma, now we should specify the views. Okay, to which view we should send this request. All right, so this is how we do that. Views dot the view name. Okay, we don't have the view yet, and we have to create that. Okay, now right click on this my project and create a new file. Okay, here say views.py. All right, hit enter. Now the view file is created. Here what we will do is def. This is the function. Okay, this is how we define functions in Python. All right, let's name it as a home. Now we have created this home function. All right, so now what should happen is, inside the views, come back to this views.py and specify home here. Okay, so when the request comes for the home page, then it should go to home function. All right, inside this view. Now put the comma here. Okay, we should be making all the list here, that's why make sure you put the comma. All right, and save it. Since we used views inside this urls file, we need to import that view so that this will work properly. All right, this is how we import. From dot import views. Dot means this same directory. Okay, inside this same directory we have the we have something called views. Bring that in. Okay, so this is how it works. All right, now save it. Okay, so now we have imported this views. Now let's go to the views.py, and we have created the function called home. So the request is here inside this views now, so that's why we have to pass a request from this home function. All right, now let's hit enter. Inside this we have to say return and space http response, and inside this http response we should say hello world. Okay, we used http response here. In order to use this http response, we have to bring in this http response. Okay, from django.http import http response. Okay, again you don't have to remember all these things. Okay, don't worry, You may be thinking, oh, do I need to remember all this stuff, because this is hard to remember, right? So in that case, don't worry, you will get all these things in the Google so easily. Okay, so now let's check if that works or not. Refresh. All right, now you can see hello world. So now let's put some HTML here. Okay, so inside this return HTTP response, let me cut this and say h3. Okay, this is the HTML tag. Paste this here. Okay, now just refresh this. All right, now this HTML is also running. Okay, so now let me explain you guys what happened here. So the first thing is when we hit the refresh, okay, so the home page request came to the urls.py file. First it checked for the admin, because first it checked for the URL pattern, right? So that's why first it will check if this first path is for the home page or not. Okay, this is not the home page. Then it came down and look for the home page. Yes, this is the home page. Blank means home page, right? So when this is true, then the request came to views.home. All right, views.home. So it went to the home function in this views. Okay, it came here. All right, so here what happened, what we are doing here is we are just returning the hello world HTML here. Okay, so that's why what it did is it just printed hello world. Okay, this is how it works. All right, so this is the very basic thing, but rendering all the HTML inside this HTTP response, it is not the proper way, right? Because in our project we will be using a lot of HTML code, right? It is not possible to include all the codes inside here, right? That's why we use template. Okay, in the next lecture we will look at the template. All right, thank you.